Dear students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible to you? Online students, please respond everybody. So now I'm going to start the discussion. I hope you remembered last class concept. We started with which data type? STR data type. You know, STR data type importance, types of purpose of STR, definition of STR, types of STR, notations of STR. And memory management also we started. And we are in the discussion of what? Operations on STR data. How many operations you can perform? Two types. One is indexing, slicing. So last class, we started with the most important formulas. Operations on which data? STR data, indexing and slicing. So indexing will give you how many values? Single value from given main STR object. And syntax is STR obj of square brackets index. Here STR obj is an object of class STR. Index value can be either positive or negative. If we enter a valid index, then we get the corresponding indexed value. If we enter wrong index, invalid index, we get what? Index error. And you have seen some examples, and you have seen some type of numericals and some strings and some values, and you have seen indexing and slicing. Now slicing started there, students. Slicing is very, very important in real time. The process of obtaining range of values or substring from given main STR object is called what? Slicing. So to perform slicing operation, we have 5 syntaxes. They are: number 1, STR obj of begin colon end. I told already. This syntax generates range of values or substring from begin index to end minus 1 index, provided begin less than end. Otherwise, we never get any result or space as a result. And I told some examples. Might be you practiced it, students. Practiced it as positive indices and negative indices. We got it. And subrule also explained it, right? Subrule also might be you remember. Begin positive index colon end negative index. What is happening because of this begin index to end index minus 1? Provided beginning positive index is greater than what? Negative end index. Otherwise, we get what? Space or no result or space as result like this. Okay. Next is called what? Some explanation I gave it. Students, you might be aware of it. So the results are what? Second syntax number 2. Begin colon what? End. End is not there. That's the speciality of it. Important. In this syntax, we are specifying begin index and we did not specify end index. What happens when we don't specify end index? If we don't specify end index, then PVM takes end index as len of str obj. Did you remember len of str obj? We'll give you the number of letters in that or not. As that will be applied internally, minus 1 will be applied. That formula you know already. Or otherwise, there is another part is said, students. If we don't specify end index, then PVM takes begin index character to last character it will take. And based on that, we have seen lot of examples in the last class. Some special points also we discussed in the last session. Okay. Now Thursday has come. Now we are entering into this area. Now let's start with syntax number 3. In this syntax, what we did not specify? Begin index. You see guys, when I did not specify the end index, PVM takes begin index as begin index character to which character? Last character it has taken it. Understand? Now, in the same manner, here also we are specifying. Look at this now. In this syntax, we are specifying which index? End index, but we did not specify which index? Yes. Begin index. Begin index. Begin index. Right. What happens when we don't specify begin index? You know, it will be always taken as, if we don't specify begin index, what is happening? If we don't specify begin index, then BVM takes begin index as what? 0. 0. Are you following? 0 means what? First character. First character. Or if you really follow me, minus of what? len of minus of len of strobj. Minus of len of strobj. Minus of len of strobj is nothing but first character only. Understand? In our case of Python, dear students, you already aware of it. 0 says what? P. len of minus len of strobj is called what? 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 is also P only, no? Yes. Or another words I will write it. If we don't specify begin index, if we don't specify what index? Begin index. Or I will write it. If we don't specify begin index, I'm going to write it. Begin index. Then PVM takes what? First character to which character? First character to which one? Last character. Last character I don't say. Last character I don't say. End index. End minus 1 index. End minus 1 index. First character to end minus 1 index. If we don't specify begin index, then PVM takes first character to what? End minus 1 index. So this is related to what? The syntax number 3. Come in. So here I am going to say, we did not specify the begin. Which character will be taken? First character. To where end we are specifying. It will take end minus 1 index. Getting? So shall we go for the examples now? Now see that carefully. Examples part you understand. Now you observe, students. Go to the Python environment. Go to Python environment. Here Python 3.10 or Python 3.11. Whatever you like it, you take that. So here I am going to take it. Now I am writing S is equal to, open the diagram all of you. Keep your diagram open, ma. Python print of S comma type of S. Type of S. Now see guys, Python class what? str. Come on guys. Now I'm going to answer my question. Answer my question. 0. I did not specify the begin index. 3 I said. 3 I said. What is the answer? We did not specify the beginning. We specified what? 3. What is the 3? End index. End index. 0 to what? 3 minus 1. 0 to 3 minus 1 means 0 to. Already there is a diagram with me. Already there is a diagram with me. And see this now. 0 to 3 means what? 0, 1, 2. 3 minus 1 means what? 0, 1, 2. This is the data which is going to come. Right or not? So what is the answer down? P by T. Now I'm going to say here called 6. Answer is what? Come on. Right, Python. Now I'm going to say 5. Answer is what? P by THO. I say 4 here. What is the answer? P by. Good. Now, careful. I'll go for the next level of questions. So go to the place. See students. Type of S. This is my data. S colon like this. S of this like this. Go to this place. Colon of this. Now. ఏమైంది ఓపెన్ ఎందుకు ఓపెన్ చేస్తావు లోపల పెట్టదు రెండు బయట రైట్ కమిన్ సో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అనిపించలేదా నీకు అదే ఓపెన్ అయింది ఓకే మాదెందుకు ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదే లేదని సో S of S colon what? 4. Now coming to the point of it. Now I'm going to say this type of example next. Here I'm going to say S is equal to Python, print of S is a data, S of colon -3. What is an answer? What is an answer? No? See the formula. What it is started with? Either 0 or what? Minus of ln of. I'm going to which direction? Minus. So what will be the answer now? P by t, right? Now I'm going to write it minus 2. Answer is quickly. Right, next. I'm going to take -1. Answer is what? Py. Next, I'm going to take it -4. Answer is what? So, like this, we are going to get it. Now, our last and final, I'm going to write it. Last and final, I'm going to write it. -5. 1. P. This is the given data what we have. This is a given data what we have. Go to this place. Now I'm having, this is my data. And value of this is like this. Go to the place. Here I'm writing. This is the data what we have. Did you understand this concept? Online students, please respond. This is the value we got it. Now, in this case, we look at, this is comes under what? Syntax number 3. This is syntax number 2. Did you remember this both examples? Now, if we look at in these cases, come in. So I will go to the next syntax number 3 over, syntax number 4 over. Syntax number 4 I am going to discuss. Shall we start the syntax number 4? Right. Are you confident enough up to syntax number 3? Now, syntax number 4 we are entering. Syntax number 4. Now, carefully look at. You only will tell me, don't take my help here. What I did not specify, begin. What I did not specify, end. I will carry the syntax, students. I'll carry the syntax. And you only will tell me what will happen. In this syntax, we are not specifying end index. And next is what? We are not specifying which index? Begin index and what? End index. We are not specifying begin index and end index. If we don't specify begin index and end index, if we don't specify begin index and what? End index, then PVM takes begin index as 0 or minus of ln of this and end index as come on, ln of what? strobj. That's all. strobj ln is what? 6. For example, 6 minus 1 will be applied formula or not? In other words, again, if we don't specify begin index and end index, then PVM takes begin index as 0 or ln of what? And end index as what? ln of strobj, or you can write what? -1. Are you able to follow? Right. Now, or if we don't specify which index, begin index and then end index, I will write completely, students. I will write, if we don't specify begin index and end index, then PVM takes begin index, or otherwise I will write it. You only tell me. PVM takes from first character to come on. First character to what? First character to last character. First character to last character. First character means what? 0th index, right or no? 0th index, or what? Minus of what? ln of what? strobj. Index, right or not? Index to what? This is called last character means what? Last character is what? ln of what? strobj or what? -1. So it will give you complete string data will come. So I will write it finally. Hence, this syntax always gives what? Total string data. Total string data. Total string data. Very important. Total string data. Did you understand this point? So coming to the point back, now I am writing end index, getting the data like this. I hope you are getting my point. Examples I am going to say. Even panleda later avdaniki work leda. So what is the time now? Myself feeling very much tension. How is your future is? Better don't come. Better don't come. Right, come in. Today I am saying one standard because by seeing this latecomers, I am only feeling very much pretty about your future. Class starts at 6:10 sharp. Class starts at 6:10 sharp PM. Am I coming late? Am I coming late? No. You tell me what time I have to allow you. If you say that time is fixed. Offline students especially. This is offline. Online students, I don't have any control over it. Anytime they can join it. Tell me. Option A, sharp 6:10. Options for offline students. Sharp 6:10 PM. Option B, 6:15. Option C, 6:20. Option D, anytime allow, sir. Anytime allow, sir. Because the latecomers, if they come now, if I allow that person, he don't know syntax 3 and then syntax 4. If that questions come in interview, he will think that sir will not explain. It's a remark for me. Generally, the same. Even I am there, I will say like that only. You tell me options. Option A, B, C, D. Here, it's your choice. Here only we are coming for learning pure subject. Sir may feel something. Nothing I am feeling. You tell me your opinion. Come on. Option A. Option A, raise the hands. How many? Sharp 6:10. Okay, all are sincere. Okay. Around 80%. Okay. Option B. Opinion. Let me find out. Okay. Only. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Around 5%. Option C. Option C. Really important. Really chala important. That is 7%. Option D. Option D. Okay. Based on this lazy percentage, 620 lost. 620 lost because I am taking the bottom line people. I will take it because they are working in CMO office, PMO office, coming from international airport. But they are all having different international prime ministers meeting. That's why. So 620 lost. After 620, 1 minute late, garbage collector will collect away. Because in all my classes, I have certain rules. For you also same thing. Because I don't want to spend it daily this time. So the locking time of class is 620. Or you say, sir, anytime you allow means I will allow. Choice is yours. Last and final. 6 or 610 or 620 or 6? Okay. 610 is okay. You come on 610. Last I will allow to the student 620. Because prime minister people are important. Okay. Now, I don't want to talk daily. I will see the system time. To the student, I will show this 610. The time I will show. The time I will show. And time I will show, I will say that out. That's all. Rule is fixed. Now come to that. Now, coming to the example part here. Take it. S is equal to 0. See, if I allow any person any time, you may feel that is a good fact. You will feel that sir is good. That sir is not at all good. And whoever put some restrictions in the class by explaining deep subject, they are good. Okay now. So for sincere student, it is good. For prime minister people, that is going to be wrong. So we don't want to go for prime minister level. We want to be student community only. I want to be with the student community. That's why I'm in the teaching line from 26 years. Okay now. So 26 years, same rules, same guidelines, same deep subject. That is my policy. Okay now. Right. Let me continue. S of colon colon. S of colon. What is an output? Answer is good. Answer is Python. Right. S is equal to what? Java space PROC. Print of what? S comma. Type of what? S. Print of what? S of colon. What is an answer? Java PROC. Are you getting me? Right. Now I am writing here. Now I am writing here 0 colon. What is an output? Come on. Java? Python ekkadundamma? Answer is see that Java programming. So you have to realize, students, fundamentals are not there, intelligence is not there, remembrance is not there, English problem and coming late. How can I solve your problems? By having those many problems, you must possess your intelligence. You must possess your presence at least. I said in the day one, I'll take care about everything. You come on time, I am saying. Okay, no issue. Come to the point of it. Next I am writing LN of S. I am writing. What is an answer, please? Come on. Java. Very good. Now I am writing here. Now I am writing here. Minus colon I am writing. Answer, please. Come on. Very good. Good. Can I move forward? Okay. Now I am writing now. Now I am writing here. Okay. Almost done. Almost everything is covered. Okay. Nice. Now I am writing here. Fine. This is called what? The importance about colon. Only one example will be there for a colon. Very frequently asked question. Now I am going to keep this data and follow me carefully. So here data is like this. So coming to this point, talking like this, Java PROC, and also Java PROC having this done. Here I am having. Now I am going to take it Java PROC. This is my values. Is it clear? Done. Next I am going to start with, this is my given data available. Now I am going to come to most powerful logic, most important logic. Now you understand. What is my next logic, my next step? I am going to say strobj of begin. What is the syntax now? Syntax number 5. Syntax number 5. So let me start with syntax number 5. There are 5 rules are available. Before 5 rules, this syntax I am going to discuss. And when you observe it, I am writing one note, students. Whether you observed or not, this data printed in which direction, the data printing in, how these letters are coming, letter by letter is coming or not. Letter by letter means 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. -6, -5, -4 like that. What is the step there? 1. In 1 or 2 days back, I said step related word. What is the step? 1. Good. Now I am going to say all the above syntaxes are extracting the data from where? strobj in which direction? Forward direction with step value, with a default step value, I am writing with a default step value 1. Did you understand this? Yes. Now I am going to take up. This is my things. Now syntax number 5. Syntax number 5. There I am going to talk about rules, students. Rule number 1, rule number 2, this is an ultimate syntax. Rule number 3, rule number 3, and rule number 4. Rule number 5, rule number 4, and rule number 5. So, I don't know how you will understand my rules. It's little important, students. Let me start with the rule number 1. Here, begin, end, step. What is the value of begin can be according to your knowledge so far? What can be the value of begin, ma? The begin value can be either a positive I can specify, negative also I can specify. And what is the default step so far? 1. Already cheppanu ikkada. What is the default step? 1. Okay. Now I am writing. Now I am starting the syntax number 5 explanation. Here, begin, comma, end, and step values can be either positive or what? Negative. Either positive or negative. Okay. That is the first rule. And of course, it is only a direction is given for you. Second and third rules are so informative. You try to carefully catch me. So here I am writing it. If step value is what? Positive. If step value is positive, then PVM takes the range of characters. PVM takes the range of what? Characters from where? Begin index. I'm going to say begin index to what? End minus 1 index. If a step value is positive, then PVM takes range of characters from begin index to end minus 1 index. End minus 1 index. Take care, students. Index, begin index to what? End minus 1 index. End minus 1 index. If a step value is positive, then PVM takes range of characters from begin index to end minus 1 in forward direction. In which direction? In forward direction. Very important. If a step value is positive, then PVM takes range of characters from begin index to end minus 1 in forward direction provided with the step value. I am going to write it with the step value provided. I am writing provided begin index less than what, ma? End index. That rule is already you know now. Otherwise, what happens when it is not satisfied? Otherwise, what will happen? We get space, or what? We get a space or like this as a result. Did you understand? Actually, we never get a result, means space as a result. Are you okay? Now, please look at that syntax, ma. Carefully look at. There is no hurry at all. You understand it. If a step value is positive, then PVM takes range of characters from begin index to end minus 1 index. In which direction? Forward direction with the step value provided a begin index less than end index. Otherwise, we get space or like this as a result. Let me go to that, students. S is equal to what here? Python. Print of what? Yes. Take care. Now I am writing S of 0 colon what? 0 colon 4. What is 0, ma? First set. Okka nimsham. Everybody be careful. Begin colon what? End colon. What is our step? What is 0, ma? What is 4? What is not there here? When step is not there, what will be the value taken? 1. Which direction? 1 is positive or negative? Which direction, guys? Forward direction. What is the answer now? 0 to 4. Is 0 less than 4, guys? Yes. 0 to what now? 4 minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Is this a data or not? Yes. Now my answer is PYTH. PY. Careful. You see, colon 1 I am writing. What is 0? Come on. What is 4? What is 1? Step. Step value positive or negative? Which direction? From where? 0 to 4 minus 1. 0 to? Is it the same answer or not? Hence the things are proved that if I don't specify any step, what is the default step? 1. Clarity is there? Okay. Now I am writing, dear students, colon 6 colon 1. Answer please. There is no hurry. 2 less than 6, true na false? Okay, true. 2 to what now? 6 minus 1. With what step? 1. What is an answer now? 2 to 5. With what step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the step what? 1. What is the value printed? TH. Very good. THON. Okay, students? Very good. Now I am writing. Careful, guys. 2 I am writing. There is no hurry at all. Please look at first. Please look at. Silence. I will explain. After I explain, listen carefully. PYTHON. N. What is my data? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and then what? 5. What is my data, ma? 2 to 6. 2 to 6 means what is coming? What is this value? 2. Starting from where? 2, right or not? What is the step value earlier? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. But today's step is what? 2 plus 2, how much? 4. 4 plus 2, how much? So do you have 6? What is the answer now? Very good. Did you understand the technique of getting? What is the answer now? Is 2 is positive or negative? Positive means which direction? What is the step? Is it letter by letter or 2 letters at a time? 2 steps. 2 steps. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, like that. What is the answer, guys? Did you understand? Okay. Now I am writing one more kind of thing. 0 colon 6 colon 2. 0 colon 6 colon 2. Come on. Ma? Good. Very nice. You learn very perfectly. What is the answer? PT. Okay. Now I am writing here. Okay. 0 colon 6 colon 3. Answer please. Ma? PH. Are you getting? Okay. Let me see the diagram. Anybody did not get it? Starting from where? 0. 0 plus 3, how much? 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 3, how much? 6. Plus 3 is what? 6. 6 is not there now. What is an answer now? PH. PH is an answer. PH is an answer. See the answer now? PH. Getting up? Okay. Now I am writing slowly. See. Colon. Before the colon, what is there? What is this is here? Begin. What is this is? Begin is not there, end is not there. Begin is not there, end is not there means what? Total string. Step is also not there. What is the value? 1. What is the answer? Very good. Python. Okay now? Confident? Now I am writing 2. What is the answer now? Come on. Beautiful. Now I am writing 3. Answer please. Okay. Some of the students not saying anything, like statuing like Gautama Buddha. Okay, you sit like that, no problem. When you go to interview tomorrow, same thing. Statue. చిన్నప్పుడు గేమ్ ఆడేటోళ్ళం కదా, స్టాచ్యూ అంటే అట్లే నిలబడి ఉంటుంది. రైట్, colon 3. What is an answer? PH. Confident? Now, slowly. Are you confident enough? -6 colon -1 colon 2. Be careful. What is the step value? 2. Okay, నాకు కూడా తెలుసు 2 అని. Positive or negative? Positive means which direction? Right, -6 less than -1. True na false? Come on, mom. True. True. With a step what? 2. -6 to what? -1 -1. -6 to -2. -6 -5 -4 -3 -2. What is the step started from? What is the step value? 2. What is the answer going? -6 plus 2 is -4. -4 plus 2 more? -2. -2 plus is 2 is called what? 0. 0 is not there now. What is the answer will come? Come on. Very, very good. Are you getting confidence? Okay. Now I am asking one beautiful question. Ready to answer wrong? -6 colon like this. -6 colon. What I did not specify. End means which character? Last character. I did not specify what also. What is the step value? Good. Which direction? Answer. Very good. Very good knowledge is there. Ask these questions, outsiders. Please ask these questions. They will just run away by seeing this question. You write any big companies questions, these questions. Let me come to next. Still there. Still lot of things will come. Now I am writing here 6. I am writing. What I did not specify? Beginning is not there. End is there. What is the step value? What is the answer? Come on. Very good. Super. Now I am writing now. 0 colon 6 colon. Answer. Very nice. Getting? Okay. Now last and final I am writing. I am writing here what you know? -1. Answer please. Come on. PY. Right, good. Very good. Confident. Now I got a confidence on you. Now you are good student. Up to here you are good student. Next ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలియదు ఇప్పుడు. What will happen next we don't know. So I will go for writing the steps also. Next what will happen I don't know. We are entering into the real what up to here you are understanding means you are good. You take the same questions to any outsider and put this question and feel that what is their answer and feel that how your subject is growing. You see any website, you try to see these rules. Any online portals you see, try to see this, you will not find it. Please check once for the sake of sorry saying to you and try to tell to the friends. And if this is, you feel that it is a more subject is given, you tell to the friends, share with the friends. Now, that's why since I'm giving you more and more subject, I'll be very strict in the class. So, if you follow my rules and regulations with my subject, you are number 1. So, let us coming to the point back. This is about what? Rule number 2 related example. Okay now? This is related to rule number 2. Rule 2, right or not? Rule 2. Rule 1 anyhow that is general, right or not? Okay. Now I am coming to very, very important. If the step value is, I'll carry as it is guys. I'll carry as it is mom. You please follow. If a step value is what? Negative, then PVM takes range of characters from begin to end plus 1. begin to n plus 1 in backward direction. In backward direction with what? Step value provided begin index greater than what? End index. Otherwise, we get what? Space as a result. Nothing is difficult. Nothing is difficult. So only thing is must carry forward. Okay. I'll go to that example. Don't worry. Now I'll go to, if what is once again for my satisfaction, please, if step value is negative, then PVM takes range of characters from begin index to end plus 1 index in backward direction with a step value provided a begin index greater than end index. Otherwise, we get space or as a result. Get it? Go to back. There is no tension at all. Relax. Now I will take the question. I will form the question. First, let me explain to you. Print of S. S of colon. What is the answer? Come on. Okay. Now I am saying minus 1. What is the step value here? I am writing 1. What is the step value I am writing? 1. What is the default step value here? So if I write 1, we are moving in which direction? What is the original answer? Python. With a sequential step or not? What is the answer now? Python. Now you see. Careful. Minus 1 I am writing. Because of colon, what is the answer? Python. Because of writing minus 1, which direction? What is the answer? NOHTYP. Please look at NOHTYP. So they will ask an interview based question. Write a Python program which will get the reverse of a string. Which will get the reverse of a string. Are you getting? Now, I will write it S is equal to what? Liril. Have you heard about Liril? Liril is a soap. S of what? Colon minus 1. What is the answer? Liril only. Liril only. So this is known as what? Palindrome. String palindrome we can call. Spell out. String palindrome. S is equal to mom. M-O-M. What is the reverse also? How do you get the reverse? S of colon minus 1. Chappal Toragada. Chappal. S of colon minus 1. Okay. Now I am taking S is equal to that. DAD. Reverse. What is that? S of colon minus 1. S is equal to race car. RACECAR. Race car. What is the reverse of it? Colon minus 1. And these are all various papers containing. I am keeping everything in front of you. S is equal to what you know? S is equal to what you know? Malayalam. 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 What is S colon minus 1? What is this minus 1 indicates? Backward direction. Which direction? 1 indicates which direction? No step at all. Which direction? What is the default step? Come on. Very nice. Can I move forward? Okay. Now coming to the point back. Now I am writing minus 2. Minus 2. Come on. N. Are you sure? Right. Good. Any difficulty? No. Now I am writing S of I am writing 0 colon 6 colon minus 2. Come on. Space. Space is the result. So begin index must be greater than what? End index. But what is my begin index? 0 greater than 6. No, that is called what? Space. Are you getting? Okay. Now I am writing here. No hurry at all. I am writing 6 colon. I am writing here. 6 colon or 5 colon, I will write it here, what you know, 0. Colon minus 1, minus 1. There is no hurry at all. Don't get tension here first. What is an answer first of all? Python. What is an answer? Python. Python. Right. Take care, students. This is my data. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this step? First of all, condition true now. Begin greater than 0 now. True. What is the data now? Begin to, and 5 to, 5 to, end is what? 0 plus 1. 5 to what? 1. 5 to 1 means what, students? 5 to 1 means like this or not? What is an answer now? Come on. Right. See that answer. NOHTY. Getting or not getting? Yes. Shall I move forward? Yes. Now I am going to write it. Now I am going to write it. Colon minus 2. Answer please. Come on. NHY. Are you sure? Okay. Good. Already I asked that question here, NHY. Right or not? Minus 3. Answer. Come on. ND. Sure. Okay. Good. Now you are good. Now I will write it. Now I will write it. Let me see my diagram. I want to prepare one small word. So I will take it. I will take it like this. 4 colon 2 I want to write it. 4 colon. What is specified? Begin. What I did not specify? End. What I specified also? Minus 2. Minus 2. Beautiful. Don't mistaken by yourself. 4 to where? When I did not specify end, it is taken what? Come on. Plus 1 minus 1. Unda ikkada emana leda. So what is this now? Ikkada మీరు 1 చెప్తున్నారు. You are wrong completely. You are wrong completely. This is called end we are taking. But what I am taking now? You are taking 1 in step place. But here I did not specify anything. What is the step value here? Minus 2. Minus 2. Here I am writing here. Here I am writing some 5. Here I am writing 5. 5 means what it is taken? I thought you are going to answer it. I thought you are going to answer it. From 5th letter it will take. So I will write it 4 only. Because otherwise you will feel that some or change something. 4 to where? When I did not specify the end character, what it was taken? Last character. When I did not specify the beginning, it is taking what character? First character. But it is what today? Reverse. Minus 2 means what? Reverse. What is my 4th starting with? What is the starting with? What is the value here? Minus 2. What is my step value? Minus 2. What is the value coming? T. Minus 2 again. What is the value coming? What is the answer is coming? Adi print cheyalanunna nenu. Are you getting this? Ardham avada manam em cheyalem inka. What is minus 2? What direction? Starting from where? When I did not specify end, what is the end? When I did not specify end, it is last. But it is which direction? Backward means last, back is what? 0. First character. From 4th to first character. What is the answer? OTP. Okay now? Okay. Now, I am writing colon 2. Answer please. Come on. Huh? PTO. PTO. Are you okay?